Hey everyone, this is Misao from Talos Drones. In this video, we're going to be testing out the T100 Mist nozzle kit that we installed in a previous video. We're going to be flying the T100, just seeing how these nozzles perform, a little bit of the differences, but let's get to it. Before you do anything on the drone, you will have to calibrate the flow rate on the T100. To do that, you'll go to the settings, and then you'll do a sprayer, and by default it's going to be enabled to 2 sprinklers, so you will have to select full mode, and the system will tell you once you connect the nozzle kit to do the calibration. But you'll go down to where it says flow calibration, select calibrate, and it'll give you step-by-step on what to do. You have to fill up the tank to about 6.6 gallons, and then it'll go ahead and do the calibration. After that, and once you selected full mode, you can do a quick clear trap there, and you can do it just by pressing and holding the red dot here on the top left. We'll go ahead and do the clear trap there. You can do a quick test to make sure the nozzles are working. They look really good. Okay, our application rate is going to be 5 gallons per acre, and with the nozzle kit installed, you'll have an increased flow rate from the standard 30 liters to 40 liters. So you'll be able to apply or have a higher application, keeping the same flight speed. In this case, but something you do have to keep in mind is the droplet size. If with the new spraying system, if you select extremely fine, your flight speed is going to be reduced, or it's going to be limited. So in our case, I found that 80 microns is going to be the minimum, so we can meet the safest max flight speed, which in this case would be 44. If you select your application rate as 2 gallons per acre, you will be able to have a higher flight speed, but keep in mind that anything over 45 feet per second will be considered out of warranty in the case where the drone hits an obstacle or doesn't follow the terrain properly. So just keep that in mind. In our test, I'll show you that we can go at a higher flight speed. There we go. Our max is 60, and the system will give you a warning here, and you can see that for yourself. But in our case, 44 is good enough. We'll be flying at a height of 12 feet, and our route spacing was going to be about 35 feet. So with that, let's take off and see how this system performs. So the task summary for this flight, we covered 4.5 acres. We sprayed 22.7 gallons. We still had 1 gallon remaining in the tank, but that's because of a safety measure inside or in the DJI software. If we go to the settings and we select sprayer, we'll see at the bottom, we'll see a tank alert. And you have an option. We have it set at low liquid level or empty tank. At low liquid level, it will stop and then return to home. And that's to ensure that the pumps don't keep working when there's no liquid, right? So it makes sure that the pumps don't get damaged. And we still had about 35% of battery left. So we still we could have done a couple more rows with that battery life. So DJI has really outshined themselves with the DJI Agras T100. I hope this video was helpful for you guys to get an idea of the benefits of this drone, of the spraying system, how it can be beneficial for you in your operations. And hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and we'll see you guys in the next one.